cranberry sauce? Grab your plunger. Let's get started. Take your screwdriver. Let's nail this right into the wood. Grab a pool noodle from the dollar store. Wrap it right around the plunger. Grab your zip tie. We're just gonna zip tie this together. Make sure it's nice and tight. Grab that cranberry sauce. Does anybody eat that stuff anyway? Grab your zip tie. We're just gonna zip tie this right here in the middle. Do this side too. Make sure it's nice and tight. Grab some fall leaves from the craft store. Put the loop right over the plunger. Grab any of these fall flower U-shaped pins. Just stick those right in. When you get down to the end of your pool noodle, wrap the leaves right around the end and then just tack this right in the middle. I got one more pool noodle. We're just gonna take this other garland, wrap this entire pool noodle with this garland, and then hot glue the end. Set this pool noodle to the side because I've got pumpkins. Grab those pumpkins, open that up. We're just gonna take these, set these along the pool noodle. You can hot glue these in if you want. I picked this up at Walmart when I picked up the other pumpkins. This is called a fantasy pumpkin. I love the colors. Now put this on your pool noodle after it starts to dry. Don't get too close to your can of cranberry sauce. I remember these growing up. Take these fun-shaped gourds, just put some hot glue on the bottom, and then just hold these right into place. Make sure you wedge them all close together. Next, we're gonna fill in with these loose leaves. I picked up this multicolored corn at Michael's. I'm just going to take this, I'm gonna add a little hot glue down each side here, and then I'm just going to place this right here along the cranberry sauce. On the back side of the leaves, add a little bit of glue and then just hold that into place to cover up that pool noodle. Add a little glue to the side of the cranberry can and then just tack the leaf right along that because we don't need anyone to know what we've got hiding under there. Take another screw and washer, push this end of your plunger down, put that in, grab your screwdriver, screw that right in. Once you get that screwed in, make sure it's at an angle, just like a tire jack. We need to cover up this board and plunger, so spread some glue around and then just tack those down to cover that up. Newsflash, I love me some twinkle lights. I picked up these brand new twinkle lights at Walmart. Let's see how these work. Let's start off by placing the battery pack here at the end. We're gonna tuck that in there. Let's wrap these lights all throughout this fall display. How adorable are these little pomegranates? These are not real because I don't need a lot of weight on this pool noodle here. So just put a little hot glue there and attach those baby pomegranates right to those pool noodles. Let's put another one of these baby pomegranates right here next to the pumpkins. Take the end of your pool noodle, place it over the plunger, and just slide that all the way down till you get to this base. I've almost used all the twinkle lights, but I'm gonna save a few for the very end. Now, put some hot glue on top of your cranberry sauce. Pick up any candle you want. This one is black oak and persimmon. We're gonna highlight this in just a second. So let's take this off. Now take these extra lights, put them inside of this cornucopia. Make sure you push them all the way up so we get some good lightage. Place this right over the end of your plunger. Now does the plunger make sense? Look how awesome this looks. Tuck those lights in. Now let's turn these lights on. In 3, 2, look how amazing this turned out. I wish you could smell this candle. I made all of this from fresh gourds and pumpkins and some artificial pomegranates, a few twinkle lights, and the rest is history. I picked up this cornucopia online, made from grapevines, and it's fabulous. Be sure to check the comments. I'm gonna post a photo of this all lit up tonight on my dining room table. And as always, if I can do this, you can do this. Wow, I love it.